Hey guys, so this is my go-to weekend lunch menu. A perfectly spiced chicken curry along with some basmati rice cooked in buttery caramelized onions and whole spices. So begin by preparing the chicken marinade, for which you need to dry roast some cardamom, cloves, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, fennel seeds and dry red chillies until they get fragrant. Once that's done, grind this mixture to a fine powder. To the ground mixture, add a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, some green chilies, a couple of cloves of garlic, and a small inch piece of ginger. For some earthy flavor, throw in some mint and cilantro or coriander leaves. And that's it, just grind this up. Combine the ground mixture with some plain yogurt and of course make sure to season the marinade. Now's the time to add in your chicken. I have used chicken thighs, but feel free to use chicken legs or chicken breast. So while I figure out how to use this cling wrap, you go ahead and let that chicken rest in the marinade for at least an hour. Next, in a pan, add in about 2 to 3 teaspoons of any neutral oil, and once it's hot, lightly fry the marinated chicken in it. Now remember, do not discard any of that leftover marinade. We will be adding that later in the curry. Meanwhile, cook each side of the chicken just until it develops a slight golden brown color. Now apologies guys, I know this section of the video is a little blurry. Sadly, this is the only shot I had of removing the chicken from the pan. Now depending on how much residue oil is in the pan, add in a tablespoon or 2 of ghee or butter. To this, add in a tablespoon of crushed garlic and saute. Next, add in half a cup of chopped shallots and fry this until it develops a golden brown color. To this, add in 2 cups of tomato puree, along with a tablespoon or 2 of ginger julienne, and cook this mixture until the oil separates. To this mixture, next add in chili powder and garam masala. And at this stage, get that remaining marinade, just wash it up with some water and throw it into the pan. It's all flavor guys, you don't want to discard it. Season this curry sauce with some salt and then add in the fried chicken pieces. Top it off with some crushed fenugreek or methi leaves and let this cook covered for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. And that's it, your chicken curry is ready. Go ahead and garnish it with some cilantro or coriander leaves. So now let's go ahead and cook some delicious butter or ghee basmati rice. In a pot, add in a tablespoon of butter or ghee. And to this, add in all the whole spices. Now I would have preferred to use a whole cinnamon stick. I had none at home, so decided to go with cinnamon powder. Next, add in a bay leaf and toss in the sliced shallots. Add enough salt to sweat the onions and fry this until it develops a dark brown color. Next, add in the washed, soaked basmati rice. And fry the rice in butter until it develops a golden brown color. Next, add in some water. So remember, rice to water ratio is always 1:2. So for 1 cup of rice, it's 2 cups of water. Before you cook the rice, add in some lime juice. Now this is what helps the rice get fluffy and it avoids the grains from sticking to each other once cooked. And that's it. Keep the pot covered and let the rice cook until all the water has evaporated. I like to garnish the rice with some raisins and cashews. Probably the best part about the rice is this. So I recommend that you not skip this step. The sweetness of the raisins just makes this combination even better. So that's all guys, I really hope you try out this recipe. I've made this plenty of times and it's absolutely delicious. Just trust me on this one. That's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy!